It really began in 2009 with the introduction of Bragser solid zirconia. That was the inflection point. Bragser wasn't just a new material. It fundamentally enabled CAD/CAM at scale. Monolithic zirconia offered the strength, consistency, and manufacturability needed to move away from artisanal layered ceramics and towards fully digital production. As CAD/CAM scaled, it became obvious that analog impressions were the bottleneck. Physical impressions and stone models introduced distortions, delays, and manual handling. That's why Glidewell became an early adopter of intraoral scanning, even when the technology was still immature. The benefits were clear, long before scanners were easy to use. Early scanners were slower, less intuitive, and less precise than modern systems. But the long-term promise of accuracy, speed, and repeatability was undeniable. We knew the hardware would catch up eventually. We were looking for solutions to boost productivity and consistency of our designers. As CAD/CAM and digital scans scaled rapidly, manual crown design couldn't keep up. So we applied AI to crown design to standardize outcomes and dramatically increase throughput. The goal was delivering the same high-quality result efficiently and predictably at large scale. Using generative networks to produce patient-specific restorations showed us that AI could design something that performs clinically, not just digitally. In many ways, it was one of the first examples of true physical application of AI, not just in dentistry, but across many other industries. Well, once you have AI-driven design, integrated materials, and manufacturing expertise, the logical next step is to bring that capacity chairside. When Glidewell launched in 2018, it wasn't just another chairside system. It simplified restorative design with one-click proposals, enabled milling of fully sintered zirconia without oven processing, and included built-in lab support. That's what made chairside dentistry more accessible and predictable for general practitioners and not just for techies. The Bragser factory truly represents digital manufacturing at scale. It's a cloud-connected, highly automated production line designed to minimize human variability while maintaining extremely high tolerances. That's how we achieve consistent quality and deliver crowns in 24 hours. Digital dentistry extends beyond restorations. We use advanced 3D printing for occlusal appliances, addressing bruxism, sleep apnea, and migraines. We've also developed smart wearable sports mouth guard with plans to expand that technology across oral health appliances. It's about innovation that makes impact on patient care. Because we control the entire pipeline from scan intake to final QC, we can optimize every step for clinical performance and efficiency. For dentists, it means simpler workflows, fewer adjustments, and fewer remakes. For patients, it means restorations that fit better, last longer, and look better. Technology only matters if it improves outcomes, and that's been the guiding principle throughout our digital journey.